हेलो। वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन स्टडी हब। आज मेरा फिर से विषय जो है क्वेश्चन टैग के ऊपर ही है। क्वेश्चन टैग के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रूल जो मैंने पहले बताए थे और आज के वीडियो में बताने जा रहा हूँ। पहला जो है, इफ द सेंटेंस इन अ पॉजिटिव रिक्वेस्ट और कमांड देन वी यूज will you or want you as a question tag. If there is a negative request or command, then we use only will you as a question tag. But if the sentence is a positive request command, then we use both will you or want you. Here is an example. Open the window. Will you or want you? Here another example is don't touch it. Then we use will you because it's a negative request or negative command. Then we saw that if the sentence the urgency in a positive request or command, then we use want you. Like the sentence is be careful while crossing the road, we use want you as a question tag. Again, if the urgency in a positive request command, then we use want you. Again we repeated that if the sentence started with a positive request or command, then we use both value or want you as a question tag. But if the sentence begin with a negative request or command, then we use only value. But if there is urgency in positive request or command, then we use want you. Here is the sentence, the positive request command in the urgency. Be careful while crossing the road. Want you? Be careful while crossing the road. Want you? Again, if there is a sentence so that's a scolding, like an imperative sentence, then we use can't you. That means a scolding sentence that we will use question tag as can't you. Here example, use your own eraser. Can't you? Mind your own business. Can't you? Next, again the sentence begin with let's or let us, then we use shall we. If the sentence begin with let's or let us, then we use shall we as a question tag. Here the example, let us watch IPL, shall we? Next, if the sentence begin with the let him, her, them, anyone that's a name, then we use will you, like let her go, will you? Then we remember if the sentence begin with let's or let us, then we use shall we. But if there is another pronoun related with let us, then we use will you. Again, how to use the subject in question tag. If there is a personal pronoun, if there is a personal pronoun a subject as a subject, then we use personal pronoun as a question tag and according to subject. Now if the subject is noun, then we use he, she, it, they according to the number and the gender of the noun. If the subject of the sentence be noun, then we use he, she, it, they according to their gender or number. Again, here's the example that it is true, isn't it? Ram and Sam are best friends, aren't they? It is true, isn't it? Here the subject is it, then we use it. Again, Ram and Sam are best friends, aren't they? Because here are the two persons, Ram and Sam. Then according to the number where we use they. Question tag. Again, if the subject is started with there, one, this, that, this, those, then we use there, one, it, they as a question tag. Again, if the sentence of a subject there, one, this, that, this, those, then we use there, one, it, they as a question tag. Example, that is enough, isn't it? Those are good sample, aren't they? Now here is some rule. I hope this video help you to understand the question tag. Thank you.